Hello everyone, how are you doing? Satiel here and welcome back with another quick tutorial. In today's, I'm gonna show how to install the VmWare tools in Windows 10 or Windows 11 virtual machine. The first step is select this option in the virtual machine and one click in reinstall VmWare tools in this option. One moment. Go to VM and select reinstall VmWare tools. One click. Go to the File Explorer or click in this notification in your Drive C or select this PC and select Drive D and select your setup. In this case, 64, setup 64, right click and select Run as Administrator. One click. If you receive a user account control, click on Yes. Click on Next. Click on Typical and click on Next. And click on Install and wait a moment. Click on Finish and click on Restart your PC. Click on Yes and restart your computer to apply the change. Login in your desktop or virtual machine. And this is all. You can try change the resolution of your monitor and you can show all options. In this case, I select this and keep change and click on close. And you can show the transparent blur effect in your windows and you can try copy and paste text or files in your virtual machine. And this is all. Works properly. And thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.